Jihadi terror in India for long had foreign faces. Hafiz Muhammad Saeed of Lashkar-e-Toiba, Maulana Masood Azhar of Jaish-e-Mohammed, Maulana Fazlur Rahman Khalil of Harkudul Jihadi Islam, and of course Osama bin Laden. But since July 2006, India has been facing a new brand of jihadi terror. And these are the faces behind it. Young, educated, tech-savvy Indian Muslims.
आतिफ के कंप्यूटर में बैकग्राउंड में जिसको हम कहेंगे कि वो अल-कायदा से बैप्टाइज्ड था। अल-कायदा का बहुत मटेरियल मिला है इसके उसमें।
24-year-old Atif, the alleged mastermind behind the Delhi blast, was pursuing a course in human resource development. Ziaur Rahman, who allegedly planted the bomb at Central Park, is a third-year BA student at Jamia. Saqib Nisar is an economics gold medalist and an MBA student. And the key suspect still at large, Tawqir, used to work for a tech firm in Mumbai.
It is widely believed that Safdar Nagori, the head of the violent breakaway faction of the Simi, preferred to recruit young software engineers with an analytical mind, because he felt that that would help improve the planning and execution of future terror attacks.
People from that background, they are very soft targets for these people because they have no idea of culture or history, and that is why it is so easy to brainwash them.
At the Jamia Millia Islamia University, where some of the suspects were studying, opinions varied.
जब मुस्लिम या कोई भी बंदा अपने मजहब से डिटैच हुआ है, जब उसकी बर्बादी हुई है।
पर जो पढ़े लिखे हैं वो अपने आप आगे आने की कोशिश करते हैं, आगे अपनी कम्युनिटी को सर्व करना चाहते हैं कि हमारे साथ जो जुल्म हो रहा है वो जुल्म ना हो।
Investigations into the recent blasts have thrown up a difficult challenge for security agencies. Now they have to deal with a new enemy. An enemy that hides not in remote camps across the border, but in the heart of urban India. In New Delhi, Parikshit Luthra.